There.
Hi, Fred.
Hi, Fred.
We know your birthday is coming up. How soon is it? August 13th, right?
13th, right?
13th, right? What are you doing, Bobette? We're supposed to say hi to Fred.
Hi, Fred.
Say hi to Fred now.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Fred. Fred, happy
So, birthday?
18th birthday, right? Wow, it's a long way. It's been a long way to go, Fred. Why are you laughing, both of you?
Parang dami na yung pinagdaanan, no? Fred. As a person.
And as a plant.
As a ginger plant. Una yung kay Kay...
Oh my God! Do you still remember that? That was
Yes.
the shittest part of his life.
Never mind.
Never mind. Oh my gosh. We don't want to spoil your birthday, so there. What happened next to your life?
Wait, so how do we assess Fred as a person?
We don't.
He needs to be assessed as a horticulturist, as a plant.
As a plant.
You know.
Yeah.
You have been a good friend,
Yeah.
Fred.
Especially
Especially
when we need money.
When we need money.
Or when he needs money.
Or when you need money as well.
Yeah, always.
We're always baffled in what to do with you. Joke.
But thank you for, being there to make us feel good about ourselves.
Yeah.
Ronan, Ronan, me, Bobette, really, really appreciate what you do.
What do you do?
What do you do?
What do you do? In the
Just
first
being
place.
there. We're happy with
Yeah.
just being there. And we see ourselves.
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 Cut that.
I
We see
don't know how to
ourselves
edit
in you, because,
I don't
You'll
see
be a
myself.
tranny
I
in the
don't see
future.
myself in him.
I don't too.
Well,
we see ourselves in you in a way, in just a little way.
no.
What do you say about it? But we're supposed to say good things.
Oh.
Let's just sing him a song.
Okay.
The happy birthday
Happy
song.
birthday song.
Go.
For he's a jolly good fellow.
For he's a jolly good
Shasha
fellow.
Padilla.
For he's a jolly good fellow. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
To you.
Laksan nyo.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy Can you feel the Happy birthday to you.
Wish ko lang kay
Wish.
Fred, sana, huwag masyadong sumobra ang bisyo natin sa
Bisyo?
sa lamuha.
Pakikisalamuha.
Pakikisal sa lamuha.
Yes.
Sa ibang mga tao, tsaka yung pagbabay.
Yes.
Yes. Akala mo, no?
And
And
sana marami pang babaeng dumating sa buhay.
Oh, straight ka, right?
at sana lalo kang humahot.
Kasi ikaw ay model material.
Model material.
Yeah.
Remember that always.
And
My wish for Fred, well, you're more than mature, as you've said.
As you claim.
as you claimed,
You're more
Yeah.
than mature. But, I wish you all the best in your chosen career, because I know that you said you've found the right person you want to be.
Which is a call center agent.
Yeah,
Which
with a call
happens
center agent.
Hope you pass our standards.
Yeah, and hope you can get a job at Manulife.
kumbaga kung saan
They need mathematics.
halaman, kung sa Luya pa, pwede ka nang gawing kilawin kasi
Oo.
your prime na and
You're on your prime. 18 years? My God, pwede ka na makulong! So don't ever have sex with an older man, okay? Or younger boy.
Which brings us back to...
Which brings us back to...
Juno.
Which brings us back to Jamaica.
Which brings us back
to
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Anyways, ayun.
Anyway.
And we hope your tito gets to see this.
Tita.
Or
Or Tita.
Tito slash
Don't worry,
Tita.
we'll mail this.
Ano nga email niyo? We'll look for it. Anyway.
Anyway.
Hello, Tim.
What?
I know you'd view this.
What?
Tim. Your
Yeah.
brother.
What? We love you,
Yeah.
Fred.
We love
Wait,
you.
wala pang wish to Ronnie.
Yeah.
Ano ang wish ko?
It's your wish to Fred. Alam ko, winasak ni Ronnie yung life mo dati.
Expound.
Pero, naano mo naman.
I'm here to mend it, you know.
naman daw yun, nakapag-adapt.
Bilang isang tuber.
Yeah.
Yes, as a trooper.
Oh, so yun lang, best wishes. Sana huwag kang masyadong kinikilig sa mga variables, right?
Oh, as you mentioned,
Weird.
kinikilig ka na sa mga variables.
Huwag masyado.
Ganun yung level ng
Kay
love
Fodolig.
niya naman. Kay Fodolig ka na lang
Yeah.
makilig, Fred.
Bagay sila.
Bagay ka
So yun lang. May masasabihin ka pa ba?
Mag-create ka ng affluence.
Oo.
Kasi,
Isama mo si Sam. Welcome.
kasi parang hindi ka masyadong
Affluent.
affluent.
Actually, affluent siya, kaya lang
Nanakaw.
yung taxi
hindi.
driver na yung affluent.
Na kinain ng seat dun sa taxi.
Kasi ang tanga-tanga naman yung taxi.
Mm-mm.
So,
Tanga
yun.
lang.
Happy birthday.
Ang tanga ng
ulit.
taxi driver talaga, iwan niya pitaka niya.
Alam mo.
Si Fred yung nakaiwan, ano ka ba?
Ay.
Ay!
So, ayun. Anyways.
Ganda.
Kantahan mo ulit siya, Empress.
Ay? Okay, ano bang favorite song ni Fred?
Tukso.
Sabi niya, Tukso.
Go!
Ay ramin ang winasak na tahanan. Hindi yung favorite song ni Fred, iba eh.
Regina Spektor.
Ano yung mga favorite song niya?
Favorite
Or-
song ni Fred na Regina Spektor.
I've never loved anybody fully. I got lost.
Ayan.
I hear in my mind.
Or Samsung. Samsung.
And it breaks my heart. It breaks my heart. And it breaks my heart.
Okay lang yun, Fred.
Okay lang yun.
No.
Alam mo, maiyak ka.
Oo, alam na.
Maiyak ka
alam
sa
na.
video.
Kaya ka sa video na. Kasi
Kasi
kahit
makikita ng tito mo.
kasi kahit gano'n kami kagulo,
You know, we
Like,
love you.
we know we love, yeah.
With all our hearts. And our affluence.
Plastic naman na.
Tangina mo, Bobet, oh! Birthday na nga lang yan eh.
Birthday naman na ng tao eh.
And we have a present for you. What's your present? Actually, di siya kita. Empress. Bobet.
Gago! And Roni, of course. We're signing off, Fred. We love you and
Till your
happy-
next birthday.
till your next birthday.
XOXO.
XO. You know you love us.
Okay.